This is exactly what FB did. Here's FB's testimonial. Late in July, I wrote to a real estate agent of my desire to sell a piece of land which had been a financial burden to me. His negative reply listed all the reasons why sales were at a standstill in that area, and he forecast a bleak period of waiting until after the first of the year. I received his letter on a Tuesday, and in my imagination, I rewrote it with words indicating that the agent was eager to take my listing. I read this revised letter over and over again, and I extended my imaginal drama using your theme of the four mighty ones of our imagination. Remember, the producer, the author, the director, the actor. From your book, Seed Time and Harvest. The producer, the author, the director, and the actor. Excuse me. I don't really ever read ahead. In my imaginal scene as a producer, I suggested the theme, the lot is sold for a profit. As the author, I wrote this simple scene which to me implied fulfillment. Standing in the real estate office, I extended my hand to the agent and said, "Thank you, sir." And he replied, "It was a pleasure doing business with you." As director, I rehearsed myself as actor until that scene was vividly real. And I felt the relief which would be mine if the burden was really lifted. 3 days later, the agent I had originally written phoned me saying he had a deposit for my lot at the price I had specified. I signed the papers in his office the next day, extended my hand and said, "Thank you, sir." Then the agent replied, "It was a pleasure doing business with you." 5 days later, I had constructed and enacted an imaginal scene. It became a physical reality and was played word for word just as I had heard it in my imagination. The feeling of relief and joy came not so much from selling the property, but from the incontrovertible proof my imagined drama worked. Incontrovertible proof that my imagined drama worked. Wonderful testimonial. If the thing accomplished were all, how futile. But FB discovered a power within himself that can consciously create circumstances. This is what we're doing here together. We are discovering the power and we're going to wield it consciously for ourselves. We're going to benefit everybody in our life tremendously when we become conscious co-creators with all that is God I am. That's what we are doing here together.